Sturdy Shower Caddy Adhesive Replacement. These shower caddy adhesive replacements are one whole piece with 2 hooks on each one, and the package comes with 9 sets of adhesive stickers. Shower caddy hooks adhere to the wall and perfectly hold. A lot of weight without putting holes. And these wall hooks are transparent enough that they aren't an eyesore. In addition, adhesive hooks can be divided into 2 parts flexibly with cutting when needed. Shower caddy. Adhesive with strong bearing. Force. Adhesive for shower caddy sticks so well, and they are super strong to support a good amount of weight without losing any adhesion. The shower adhesive hooks won't move at all, even if there have a lot of items in the shower wall shelf, and all your stuffs and caddy are able to hold pretty good. Durable adhesive shower hooks with good adhesion. Shower caddy adhesive replacement. Stickers are still holding up well after a long period of time. The corners won't start to peel and you won't have any problems with caddies falling off. Hanging up shower shelves in the bathroom with these strong, sticky hooks for hanging, all of your products will not be so clutter in the shower. Easy to apply with. No drilling. These shower shelf adhesive replacements stick onto shower walls. Great! So they are great replacements for you to replace the old ones you peeled off when you are moving. The shower shelves or shower basket actually will snap into place on the adhesion stickers, and they do fit very snugly. Just push quite hard to get them in, so the shower hanging caddy don't wobble around and keep them always stay put. Shower. Adhesive strips with a variety of applications. The clear adhesive hooks stick perfectly to shower ceramic tiles. Perfect for shower rack and shower stall to hang small towels, shower caddy basket shelf, wall soap holder, bathroom storage corner shelves for shower storage, floating shower shelves, stick-on shower shelves, bathroom tub organizer, kitchen racks, kitchen sponge holders. These adhesive wall hooks still hold strong when filled with toiletries, and none of will slip or budge.